So let's look at how to change the case of text in Google Sheets. So we have a list of names with various states of capitalization. And so let's look at how to change it to all lowercase, all uppercase, or proper case. And then we'll finish this video with removing or replacing spaces. So with lower, we'll just do equals and then lower. In this function, we can put in a cell such as C4. And then we can either close it manually or just hit enter and Google will do it automatically. And then we can let that autofill, or if you prefer, you can drag it down as needed. And this changes everything to all lowercase. We can change it to all uppercase by using upper. And we can select that again. This time I'll let it autofill. And then finally, we can do proper. Now, in this case, one thing you will note is that some names have a capital a little bit in, and typically it's like a Mick or something like that, and then you have a capitalized letter there. So unfortunately, proper does not recognize or compensate for that, but that's just how that works. But as you can see with the rest of these names, it did them all into proper case. Now, one more thing to show you before we go on to remove or replace spaces is what if you had a data set like this and you're trying to clean it up into, let's say, this proper case. So how would you then fix the original? So if we just select this proper case data, for example, I can simply right click and copy or use the shortcut and then come over here, right click, and then I want to go to paste special, not paste. I want to do paste special and do values only. And that will convert that formula into values just like this. And now you can see that these are still reading the same results, but our original data is now corrected according to this proper case. And so you could have done the same thing if you wanted to convert it to lower or uppercase. All right, so let's go ahead and finish up with this. So I'm going to show you how to remove or replace spaces with something else. And so let's just look at removing the space. And so we're going to use regex replace. And then let's just use the original for now. And then the options that we have in here is what we want to search for and we want to replace with. Now you can use some advanced regex rules for this, but we're just going to use text just for now. So I'm just going to put in a space just like that, and then comma, and then just to remove it, I can just do two double quotes right next to each other. So if you notice here, this one, I put a space in between, and this one, there's no space. And so if I hit enter, you can see there, it removed the space. If I drag that down, you can see that it removed the spaces from those. So we could do something else here as well. We could decide if we wanted to make this an underscore, and we could drag that down and replace an underscore. And you can fill this with whatever that you would like to do. If you want to do a pipe as an example, you can do that as well. All right, so that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.